What's going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here again with another unboxing video. This one is another eBay purchase, and as you can see, it doesn't look too pretty. But we'll open it up and see what's going on in here. This is another one of those purchases where it was a good deal, I couldn't pass it up, and I made an offer on the amplifier. And for those of you that don't know, a 250.1 is basically the same amplifier as the older DSM 500M amplifiers. Same board, same everything. Some of them may say Diablo on it, on the inside of the board. Those amplifiers are, I don't remember what the deal is with them, with the Diablo part. But I believe it has something to do with... Actually, I don't remember. So, packed nice bubble wrap. So that would be explain why the box is all bulging out. So, go ahead and open this up. But anyways, I went ahead and bought this. I have a 500M that I ended up getting repaired at Freeman's Car Stereo in, I think it was North Carolina, October of last year. And I decided I'd probably never use it because after doing some reading and some reviews and stuff like that, I had noticed that the 200IX amplifier was almost as powerful, but a 200IX amplifier around here seems to be a lot cheaper than a 500M. So I've seen 500Ms from eBay sellers go for $400 to $500. I had mine listed on there for a while for I think $300, and nobody wanted to buy it, even though I had proof that it had been rebuilt. Nobody wanted it. So let's go ahead, open this up. Woo, man, that thing, it's all rusted right here. Up in here, it's rust. Sheesh, I don't remember seeing that in the photos. Interesting. Definitely check out the photos and zoom in on them, because I don't remember seeing. Let me see if I can zoom in here. Now you can see it. It's all right up in here. So, anyways, I'll get this hooked up and tested. I'll do like a comparison video, maybe, and just to see like the 500M versus the 250.1, the inside guts. So everything appears to be here. Now I just got to hook it up and test it. So that'll be interesting. So anyways, another unboxing video. Old school Rockford Fosgate 250.1 amplifier. Check out some of my other videos. I'm kind of dwindling off on buying some stuff for right now. So some of the videos are going to be kind of hit and miss coming up. But yeah, stay tuned, because you never know what I'm going to find. So have a good one, boys and girls.